Continue this thermal performance of buildings. What are the factors affecting in thermal energy flow? First one, solar radiation. Second one, air temperature analyzed. Third one, wind or air movement. Fourth one, humidity. And factors affecting in thermal performance: airspace, that is affects both conductive and convective in the heat flow in the buildings. And second one, thermal mass. Third one, thermal resistance. Fourth one, solar radiation. Solar radiation is a main function. This is sun shading. If you are a civil engineer, you can sun shading devices used. Where side walls, where shading window or walls are updated. These are latitude and declination, azimuth angles are analyzed. And next one, time of the year. A season wise where sunlight radiation energy changes, and day and night time. Where day and night time, your ventilation and heat energy estimated important. The load estimation analyzed, and slope of the material. And next one, orientation of the surface of the material calculated. And next one, types of insulation. This insulation materials, loose material. That is, loose material means the fibers or chips using. And fully you are building inside fiber or fibrous materials used. Fill insulation. Second one, flexible and semi-rigid. A bat and blanket using. And third one, rigid material, wood, fiber, glass board. And fourth one, formed in place. You can formed in different places, different foam using. Urethane foam for majority users. And another one, important topic for basic components of a building. For building constructions, these components are analyzed. First one, foundation. Second, plinth. Third one, walls and column. Fourth one, sills, lintels and chaussas. And fifth one, doors, windows, ventilation analyzed. Sixth one, floors or ceilings. And seventh one, roofs. Eighth one, steps, stairs or lift and ramps. And ninth one, finishing work. Finally, we are building inside electrical devices, electrical wires or finishing work. And finally, building services important. These are important topic, major components of a building. And next one, factors affecting in thermal comfort. First, environmental factors analyzed, and that is air temperature, air velocity. Second one, radiant temperature. Third one, rigid humidity. And fourth one, personal factors, that is clothing, metabolic heat and sickness in the room. And fifth one, controlling the thermal comfort. You can equipments, room inside, insulating pipes or any protective equipments, or any how many peoples are inside the house or outside the building can analyze. For climate and designing wise, you can comfort the material using. And solar radiation, heat energy depending your design, climate and design for update in the buildings. Next one, this ventilation, proper location, size of doors and windows are different ventilators and skylights. And mechanical equipments or mechanical ventilations such as exhaust system or plenum system, supply system, combination of exhaust and air conditioning system. And next one, what are the components of window AC? Compressor, condenser, air filter, evaporator, meter, fans, thermostat, capillary tube. And next one, common causes of AC fire, that is to keep the not cleaned properly. AC properly cleaned. Second one, storing flammable materials avoided inside the air conditioning room. And faculty pots and equipments avoid. And regulated fire protection systems, alarm systems, and piping systems, heat detector, a smoke detector, or fire gas detector, or everything release it. And sprinkler systems, that is causes of AC. And heat transfer through fenestration, meaning total heat transfer through thermal heat energy and solar heat energy. Your building construction, important shading devices analyzed. Sunlight radiation control in the shading devices. And next one, packaged AC. This conditioned for controlled unit, primarily floor mounting. Floor mounting. This designed to provide conditions air to space to the conditioned. These are all, we have to utilize these building constructions. We have to reduce the heat energy. So you can good thermal performance of buildings constructed. Thank you one and all.